Alrighty. I was fishing near these boats, and all of a sudden the seagull started going absolutely crazy, and I had no idea why. So I was hunting around and I couldn't see it, and then my GoPro battery was flat as I was trying to rescue this little bird. Now, I don't know what type of bird it is, but it's been pecked at. I think it's got a broken wing or something. It's shivering. So I'm going to go in and call wires maybe or something. I don't know. Probably put a towel around it. It doesn't look like a seagull. Hey buddy. It looks like it. I don't know. It could be an eagle. I really don't know. But he was not in a good way. He's definitely got talons. Definitely got talons, got webbed feet. He's definitely a predatory bird. But what type of bird I don't know, but he was exhausted. I walked up to the net and I paddled up to him in the kayak. He didn't even try and get away from me. He pretty much swam into the net. So hopefully we can get him into shore and get him looked after, but I'll let you know what goes on later. But yeah, this day has taken a change. I've gone from not catching many fish to rescuing some type of bird, and I don't know how healthy he is, but he was getting picked at left, right and centre. So hopefully, you've got to do things for nature, and this one definitely was not good. I'm gonna have to try and get my other rod in. Hey buddy, can you just sit down there for a second? Hey buddy, stay there. Actually, so I can see him. There we go. So yeah, I've got no idea what type of bird it is. He was just getting absolutely plastered by seagulls. So my fishing trip has ended. I've got an end to my fishing trip, and take care of him. You know, good deeds. Hopefully it's a bit of karma going my way. Hopefully it's some fishing karma next time I go out fishing. But what an interesting end to my weekend of fishing. The wind has finally died down and it's absolutely gorgeous now. Yeah, so I'll let you know what goes on with the bird, and yeah, let's start packing up. And next time maybe we get some gompers.